sigh while looking at what passes by. Village thieves and all the tramps. Somewhere someone left a gap. Look before you leave, my friend. Should God take you in his hand, it's a very small price for your sins you spend. And there's a man with a pitchfork around the bend.